Hello world, welcome to Quick Drawing Tips. It's all about the game. And now you're playing. Today we have Triple H. Let's go.
Triple H as the cerebral assassin. This is extremely easy. Trust me. It looks complicated, but it's extremely easy. You start with the crown. Yes. You start with the crown because the crown is the one that you can say the first layer, and then you start making the face. And you only have to make half of his face because the other half you have to make the skull. And the skull doesn't matter. You can make completely unrealistic proportions of the skull and still would look good. So finally you start shading towards the face and you leave out the bones. See, the eyes do not touch, it remains as white. And you finish up these chains and the hair. So that was the tip for the day. Hope you had a great time.
Thank you for watching that video. Behold the king of kings.